What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna do something a little different. So recently I've been coding a lot in Python. I just started, so I don't know that much. But yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to make a quiz, make a math quiz or a reading quiz, whatever in Python. So let's load it up. So number one, you need to install Python or get an IDE. I recommend a good one. It's called REPL.it. It's on the website. It's a website, so you don't have to download anything for that. But yeah, number one, you gotta install Python, then make a new file and stuff from Notepad. I already did that right here. So yeah, let's press open with IDLE. Now I'm gonna go in full screen for this. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do is put in your quiz name like this. I'm gonna make a math quiz, so I'm just gonna say math quiz. Close it up. But yeah, that's the first thing you gotta do. You gotta print math quiz. Then what you gotta do is equals input. Now I'm gonna put parentheses and say, hey, welcome to the quiz. First quiz. Here is your first question. Right there. Close the parentheses. Actually, don't. Now what we're gonna do here is say 2 plus 2 e. Yeah, just gonna write what is 2 plus. Why am I writing? Am I writing that again? I'm stupid. Now we're gonna do that. Then you're gonna write dash, backdash n, backwards dash n. Now the next thing we're gonna write is for equals int. Yep, we're supposed to write that. What I think I don't really exactly know what this is doing, but my guess is it's turning it into a variable, but yeah. Well, whatever. Now you're gonna write in it. Oh yeah, we forgot to do one thing. Backwards dash n again. If you don't know why I'm writing backwards dash n, it's like, makes a new paragraph. Like, I don't think you know, but if you do this, then that happens. So that happens. So yeah, it creates a new line, and it's gonna be, and then there's gonna be a billion errors. But yeah. Now we're gonna write if answer greater if, yeah, basically yeah. If answer less than 4. I know it's not like nothing less than, but yeah. But yeah, you just gotta put the algorithm out thing or something. Whatever you wanna call it an algorithm out, but yeah. Enter print bad job. But yeah, about that, if you're confused why am I writing bad job, it's because I don't know if you noticed, but for some reason in Python when you write that, for some reason, for some stupid reason, it says good, bad job, because it says it does the exact opposite, and I just was like, you know what, let's just go along with it. Else, print good job. See right there? Else print good job. So yeah, it's gonna do what, yeah, but yeah, it is gonna actually do the exact opposite. Like, it's not, if you put the answer as 4, it's not gonna say bad job, but it's gonna say good job. It doesn't make sense. But yeah, let's do it. The source might be saved, so we're gonna run it real quick. Here is your first question. Welcome to the quiz. Here's your first question. What is 2 plus 2? 4. Good job. See, I told you. Now, I'm gonna test out if this is actually correctly working, because a couple of days ago, something went wrong and stuff, and if something is definitely wrong. So, what we gotta do is do that. It won't work now. Just we do it backwards. Yes, it works. You gotta do it backwards. So that was the problem. You just gotta do it backwards. Okay. Got it. Now, I'm gonna write. You know what? Let's just copy and paste this entire thing. These things. Because I'm too lazy to type it all out again. Answer equals input. Now what we're gonna do is wash 2. Question 2. What is, let's just think of a problem like, what is 5 dash, or divided by, I don't know, 0.7. And since I'm too lazy to do that at work, calculator time. So we're gonna write 5 divided by 0.7 equals, that's a big number. That's a very, very, very big number. So I'm just gonna take 3 of it, only 3, because that's basically how fractions work. You only take 3. I'm gonna change that to, but yeah, I'm just gonna take 3 numbers, because no way in my life, never in my life am I gonna actually do that. Like, never in my life am I gonna write all of that down. So either I'm gonna change my problem, or yeah. Actually, never mind. Let's change the problem, because I'm not gonna be able to type that out. To 35 dash 5, or 7 actually. And now we're gonna write a dash n. If answer that symbol 5, then print bad job. And of course I forgot to put the parenthesis down. if 5 else. And yeah, also if you want to do a multi answer problem, then I'll show that like in a couple of seconds after I finish this one. Nice brain. Actually, I'm gonna write smart brain. My brain. Now we're gonna do a multi-question problem. So yeah, or multi-answer problem. So yeah, we're just gonna, I don't know, copy and paste this. And now we're gonna write what is the, actually I'm gonna, wait a minute. Timmy had 15 apples. He shared it with 10. Actually, he's gonna share it with 44,000 of his friends. Just kidding. He's just gonna share with 3 of his friends. Now, there you go. Actually, you should put a comma right there. How many apples did each kid get? I was going to say friend, but I thought kid would be better. But yeah. Dashan. Look here. 1, 3. Dashan. 1, actually 2. It would probably be 5. Maybe? Yes, it is 5. Because it is 5. It is 5. That's the answer. It's 5. Now, I'm going to write if answer equal. Actually, no, not equal. Equal 1. Ooh, this is going to be a hard one. That's going to be a problem. If answer, how about, what do we do equal 1, then print, we forgot to put, then go print, good job. If the parentheses work, then go do it, go use them. But if they don't, then that's gonna be a problem. Else, print bad job. Now we're gonna run this and see if it works. That's 1. What's, yeah, 4. It is, good job. Now, what's 45, 35, it's 5, it's 5. I forgot. And of course, I forgot to add the last dash in, or backslash in. Whoop! we'll add that next time. So it actually worked. The problem is we accidentally put the wrong number. And we also forgot the last dash in. Backdash in. By the way, at the beginning, now I'm gonna do something. Yeah. Yeah, at the beginning, I'm probably gonna change the beginning or something. I don't know, probably just gonna turn them all to equal signs because those look like they're working a little bit better. They kind of do look like they're working better, but yeah, if you want to, I think you can use letters, but yeah, to use letters, I think you gotta do this, put them in dashes to use letters instead of numbers. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. He's like a little. I'm gonna take all this code and copy and paste it into the thing, but you gotta save this. So yeah, we should. If we click on it, this should work. Yeah, for a second I was just going to say let's go into command prompt. But yeah, it's 4 and but yeah, great job. And now 5 and apples did each friend get. Let's just do 2. Game crashed. Great, so great. I don't know why. Why did the game crash? Yeah, yeah. When it's in that thing, it always crashes sometimes. It's not that something is wrong. Actually, probably is. Yep. Dash. Oh, come on! I forgot. There you go. Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more, and bye.